Hey everybody, welcome to Profit Co-Pilot. My name is Mick Meaney, and this channel is all about helping you to get more independence and freedom through online entrepreneurship. So if that sounds good, hit the subscribe button and you will get more videos in this series. So at the moment, we're working our way through the Profit from Your Passion training course. So what is happening? I am teaching you how to build a profitable website. So if you have a blog that you're passionate about, or you're creating content in some way that is heart-centric, I'm going to show you how to monetize that so you can, in time, do this as a full-time living. So the next thing that I need to show you how to do is create a lead magnet. Now, lead magnets are very important for our business. They really assist in the list building process. So what we need to do is start collecting email addresses. And they have to be from people who are actively engaged in what we're doing. They have to be from people who want to obtain more information. So we are not going around just collecting random email addresses. We're certainly not buying email addresses. We're not buying lists or anything like that. I've seen a lot of people attempt to do that and just waste their money, because think about it, you're emailing cold leads who don't know who you are. Your email is just going to go to the junk folder. So don't buy these email databases. Instead, collect your own leads. It's a longer process, but it's a more rewarding one. It's more profitable for you in the long run. So what we have to do is create an ethical bribe, something of high value, something very desirable to your audience, and we offer that to them for free in exchange for the email address. And once we obtain the email address, then we carry out a follow-up sequence, which I'll get to in a future video. But that's where the real profit comes in. With digital marketing, we always profit on the back end. It's not through trying to make a sale up front. So to get us to the follow-up process, we need the lead magnet, something that your audience absolutely wants, and that is going to help them to solve a problem. So let me run you through the rules of creating an awesome lead magnet that your audience will want to get. It must be highly desirable. It must make a promise. It must provide outstanding value to them. It must be easy to obtain, and it must deliver on the promises that it makes. All good stuff there, right? So when you follow this and your lead magnet has all those things, you are contributing something incredibly positive to your marketplace. So how do we make these lead magnets? Well, it's a really quick and easy process. Now, you're going to have to trust me here, okay? You're going to have to just follow the process and have faith that I am taking you on a good journey, and the end result is going to be where you want to be. Okay, so you're going to have to trust me with this. Just go with it. So what I want you to do now, immediately after this video ends, I want you to grab your phone or grab a microphone and talk about your topic for about 20 or 30 minutes. Okay, let me go into a bit more detail with you. So remember yesterday, we had the escape and arrival framework. These are all the steps that they need to take to solve a problem. Well, what we are going to do is we're going to take one of these sections, in this case, detox, and we are going to talk about detox for about 20 or 30 minutes while recording our voice. Don't worry. Nobody is going to hear it. It's not going to go on the internet. We're not going to publish the audio recording. For a start, it's going to be full of mistakes. You're going to make lots of and that's okay. Okay, I do it in my videos too sometimes. But what you have to start doing is creating assets. And when you create this lead magnet, it will become a very valuable asset to your business. So what I want you to do is talk for 20 or 30 minutes just about one of these steps in the outline that we made yesterday, and then take that recording, find someone on Fiverr. I'll probably put some links beneath this video somewhere eventually, so click on one of those links, find someone on Fiverr that can transcribe the recording for you. They're not going to share it with anyone. They're not going to publish it on the internet. But what they are going to do is create a written transcript for you, and then they're going to send it back to you. The next thing I want you to do is immediately take that text document and just email it to an editor. Find an editor on Fiverr, and they will make it conversational. Ask them to make it readable, and ask them to make it look more professional and pretty it up a little bit. Maybe put in headings and that kind of thing for you. And then when you have that text document back, you now have a lead magnet. And this is going to be a perfect transcription of your audio recording. And it's not going to have any of the mistakes in there. It's going to be readable, conversational, and it's going to deliver a maximum value to your audience. And that's your homework for today. So spend the next half an hour talking about one of the steps that we went through yesterday when you created your product framework. That's it. It's simple stuff. Okay. I'll leave it there for today. Thank you for watching. If you found this useful, then hit the thumbs up button because it tells me to carry on creating this kind of content for you. And subscribe to the channel, hit the little bell notification, and you'll get another video from me like this tomorrow. And that is going to help you to get more independence and freedom through online entrepreneurship. So thank you very much for watching. I hope you have a fantastic day, and I will see you tomorrow with the next chapter in this series.